What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and in today's video I am bringing you guys a huge home decor haul. Not only Target but Amazon too, so it's a huge Target and Amazon home decor haul, so you want to make sure you keep on watching. But of course, before we get started, if you've never seen me before, hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All of my oldies but goodies, also turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and join the YouTube fam. All right, I know I've been coming at you guys with a ton of fall home decor, but you know what? We're gonna take a little break from that just because there's so many other goodies that I've been wanting to share with you guys that I've recently picked up from Target and from Amazon, and yeah, I think you guys should get your hands on some of these pieces. Let's start off with Target. This candle right here. Okay, so you guys know I am crazy about candles. I've been eyeing this one for quite some time. Even my husband was like, I'm surprised you haven't picked that one up. I know, me too. You guys see that? I love the texture. It almost reminds me of the vases that I picked up recently for my fall decor. And I thought this candle on the same console table as my vases from Target would look amazing. This one is from Hearth with Magnolia. It is a birch and amber cement, You guys, I just made a new word. Smell and scent. Scent. Going back to what I was talking about. Yeah, I absolutely love the scent of this one. It almost smells like a fall scent. You can definitely incorporate this into your fall home decor, so don't be afraid to pick this guy up. I do love the size of it. I do love that I can burn it for quite some time. It was, I wanna say, yeah, $34.99. I was gonna say $35. So $34.99. That is a great price for a candle this big. I've only burned it once, you guys can see. I was so eager to burn it, so I'm like, let me go home and burn it. I will definitely give you guys an update on this one. Typically, when I show candles here in my channel, I've already tried them in the past, but this one I haven't, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I just love the aesthetic of it. I love the color of it, and I feel like I said the scent could really, be incorporated into my fall home decor. Next up, I saw these at Target. I could not leave them. Like, they were just so stinking cute. Let me show you guys. How cute! It matches my boucle chairs. Isn't that adorable? No, but really. I love that they're like that boucle, material. We are boucle obsessed here, okay, in my home. So technically, it fits the aesthetic of the home also, but I get to wear it on my feet. And they're comfortable. They are from Universal Thread. You guys can see the box. If you guys ever see this brand at Target, they have these really cute slippers. I got mine in a 7.5. It just says contoured footbed for added support. Ultimate comfort. And they are in the color cream. I did only see them in the color cream, you guys. I don't know if they come in a different color, but I mean, cream is my jam. So I had to pick these up. And I love that they have like the hard sole at the bottom, because I could actually wear these outside. So if I want to run to Target or run to, I don't know, wherever, I could wear these on the go. I hate when I buy slippers and I can't wear them outside because they get ruined with the rain, or they get ruined, just wearing them outdoors. But these are heavy duty, you guys. They were very inexpensive. Again, I love the color. I love the material. They do run a little bit big. I got mine in a 7.5. My typical size is an 8. So yeah. Those are definitely a must. I'm just so excited to wear them around the house now that it's starting to get cold and gloomy, and pop my feet up and watch my favorite movies. So yeah, I am so ready for the fall vibes, you guys, the fall weather and all, you know what I mean? The pumpkins have already taken over here in my home, so we're just ready for that weather to change. Next up, I did mention to you guys in a couple of my videos that I am going to keep my eye out on really good throws. Now, I have been keeping my eye out on Target. They have, of course, a lot of affordable throws, but I wanted to invest in a really good one, especially because I don't want to just waste my money on a ton of throws that are gonna get ruined in a couple of weeks or a couple of months, if you guys know what I mean. You use them so often, that you wash them so often, and they get ruined. So I invested in this one. You guys, I had never seen this one. Let me know if you guys have seen this one down below, because I had never seen it. So when I came across it, I'm like, that's perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for my bed or for my sofa, if I absolutely wanted to bring it out here. It is so nice and it looks so heavy duty. You guys can see that. It is so beautiful. Of course, I love the packaging to it. I love the color of it. It pretty much just says woven by hand, a soft, chunky knit texture designed to create an inviting layer at the end of the bed. So it is for your bed, but I'm going to definitely bring it out here or keep it in my bed, of course. And I was looking for something like this, so I'm really happy that I came across it at Target. Yeah, it was a little bit on the pricier side, but again, you're looking to invest in really good throws that you can use for months and throw in the wash and it won't get ruined. I didn't even want to open it up because I wanted to wait to share it with you guys. So I will definitely give you guys an update on this throw and maybe post some pictures of what it looks like on my bed. Don't worry, I'm still bringing you guys an updated bedroom tour. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting that video, so I definitely am going to try to get that up really soon. But yeah, I couldn't wait to share with you guys this amazing throw that I found at Target. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I found at Target. I'm telling you guys, I didn't really pick up a lot of stuff fall related, but I guess these items could be incorporated into your fall decor like I mentioned. The throws, the slippers, so definitely go check out these pieces at Target. Of course, everything will be linked down below. Now, let's move on to Amazon. It's been a cool minute since I've purchased pieces for my home on Amazon. You guys, don't sleep on Amazon. I always find amazing home decor pieces on Amazon. And of course, if I come across it, I'm gonna recommend it to you guys so you guys can go and pick it up for yourself. Now, everything from Amazon will be linked down in the description box below. You guys will see that I will put Amazon storefront, which is where I link all of my Amazon pieces that I purchased for my home. So yeah, that's probably why you guys never see actual links. It's because just click on my Amazon storefront and everything will be available for you guys there. Okay, so let's start off with the first piece. I have not purchased a coffee table book, you guys, in so long that I just had to get my hands on this one because I felt that it would look amazing during the fall time and winter time, since the cover of the book is beautiful neutral tones and I'm bringing in a lot of more, you know, soft browns and dark browns into my home, that I had to pick up this beauty. It is the Simplicity coffee table book. I got it on Amazon. You guys know that Amazon Prime comes in clutch. Like, I live for Amazon Prime. I just couldn't wait to get my hands on this baby. And every time I see it at Restoration Hardware, I'm like, why don't I just buy it? Like, why? I've waited so long. It's the only book that I haven't had in my home. I have every book that I absolutely love and recommend to you guys, but this one was one that I did not pick up for quite some time, and I said, you know what? No, I'm gonna pick it up. I absolutely love it. Again, you guys see like the aesthetic of the book. I love the picture of it, of course. I don't even wanna open it, you guys. I'm so weird about my coffee table books now. I think because my Architectural Digest book got ruined so many times that I just would much rather keep them in the plastic that it comes in. I mean, look at the back. So freaking beautiful. I love it. Yeah, I don't want to open it. I am 100% sure that the pictures inside are gorgeous, but I just ultimately got it for the aesthetic of the outside of the coffee table book. And again, you can find this baby on Amazon. I will link it in my Amazon storefront, and get your hands on it, you guys, if you've been wanting to maybe update your coffee table book collection or just splurge on a really good one. This one is beautiful. I've always, you know, seen it at Restoration Hardware. Just alone, like on a side table or a coffee table, it looks beautiful. Okay, next up, you guys know that I shared this baby right here with you guys on my last haul, which is for my iced coffee. I am so sorry, you guys. I thought I had linked it, but I guess I didn't. So I will make sure that it is on my Amazon storefront for you guys to go and pick it up. These guys could be pretty expensive. I tried finding a less expensive one for you guys, which I did come across a few. I will link them down below. I don't know if they are the exact same ones as this one, but you guys can definitely check it out if you don't mind splurging the 20 bucks on one. I mean, I only need one. I'm gonna be making my Nespressos, you know, in here, or my iced coffees or whatever I want to make. My husband doesn't drink coffee, so he knows it's my cup, and maybe I'll use it if my dad comes over because he loves when I make Nespressos. But yeah, I didn't mind just purchasing one because again, they could be pretty expensive. So because I love that one so much, I did come across this one on Amazon, which is more for your hot coffee. So there is those days that I don't want to drink an iced coffee, then I can definitely use this beauty right here, which I found on Amazon. It is way less expensive than that one. And I love that it comes with a little top part. So if I want to take it on the go, I don't have to worry about my coffee spilling all over the place. And I love that. Of course, you don't burn your hands with these type of glass, and it does seal pretty good. I will link it down below if you guys are more of hot coffee drinkers. This one is for you, but if you're more of an ice drinker like me, this one is for you. Or you can have both. I had to have both because I drink coffee no matter what. Literally, I tell my husband that I am 95% coffee and 5% water because I drink so much coffee. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys because these little cups right here are really trendy right now. How pretty is that? And these again could be very expensive, like that CB2 or Crate & Barrel. So Amazon, you guys, Amazon, I got you guys. Okay, now next up from Amazon, another one of my favorites is this candle, which I didn't want to splurge on it right away because it is pretty expensive. And you guys know I love candles in general. I just showed you guys one that I picked up from Target. I like to burn those, you know, pretty much daily if we're home or if I'm cleaning. You know, it ain't a clean house until the candle's on, so that's when I burn those. But on days that I have guests over, I like to save my really, really good candles for those days. And this baby right here, I'm sure you guys are really, really, really familiar with it. You've probably seen it all over Pinterest and Instagram, and this is the bougie candle, okay? Like it's the most bougie it's gonna get. It literally says bougie. So this is the base candle. It is my ultimate favorite scent, and I absolutely love the aesthetic. I love that it's, you know, long lasting. I did purchase myself the smaller one before I splurged on the bigger one. Okay, so which you guys probably remember me talking about it. I don't know if I ever mentioned it on my YouTube, but I did mention it on Instagram and on TikTok. So yeah, I did went ahead and got the smaller one first to make sure that I loved it, and I loved it so much. Like, I had it in my bedroom on my closet, and I swear you guys, my room will smell for hours on end. Like, even after I've turned it off. So I absolutely fell in love with it, that I had to pick myself up the big one. And this one, I want to bring it out during the fall time. Of course, I want to set it next to my pampas grass and, you know, set the vibe in here. This is my favorite scent out of, you know, the whole diptyque candle collection. I hope I'm saying that right, you guys. I was trying to avoid saying it because I think you say diptyque. That's the name of the brand. This is the one candle that I absolutely love, which is probably one of the most popular ones. I can see why it is long lasting. If you guys are not familiar with these candles, they are pretty expensive. So before you splurge on it, I recommend you go to the store, buy yourself a small one to really make sure you love it before you go ahead and buy the big one. But what I love about Amazon is you can find this guy and get it within 2 days. I don't know about you guys, but they carry these only at the high-end malls, and me, where I live, the nearest high-end mall is like 45 minutes. So I'm like, 45 minutes for a candle? I don't want to drive out. So you can totally find yourself ordering this guy on Amazon. You can get it, you know, within 2 days, or you could get it on the actual website. So yeah, I absolutely love that. I am so excited to burn that guy. Again, I'm only gonna burn him every special occasion that I have because I don't want to run out. Okay, and last but not least, you guys remember me sharing my closet, which, oh my goodness, that closet has gotten so much love over on TikTok, which, by the way, if you guys have not followed me on TikTok yet, go follow me on TikTok. You guys, my TikTok is growing. We have a huge family over there. You guys gotta go join the TikTok fam. Thought that I had shared these pieces with you guys over here on YouTube, but I guess I didn't. I think I only shared them on TikTok, and you guys absolutely love them. So I'm like, why don't I just share them with you guys on YouTube? I have an entire closet tour on my new IKEA pack system, which I absolutely love. It is a total game changer. I still freaking love it, and you guys love it too. I have these stands right here. I have one of my purses already hanging on it, which, by the way, I love this baby. It is the Decor saddle wallet. I love it, love it, love it so much. But yeah, so this is the stand that I'm talking about that I have my purses hanging on. And you guys, having something like this for your purses, it is such a game changer. It makes your closet look so luxurious. Even if you don't have a closet and you have your bags on, you know, shelvings, buy these, okay? Buy these. Can you imagine having multiple of these and having all of your bags hung up? Like, so pretty. You'll have your own boutique aesthetic pretty much. Like, I absolutely love this. It's funny, I went to Dior not too long ago, and I noticed that these are the exact ones that they use at Dior. I didn't even know that before I purchased these. I had actually seen these a long time ago on YouTube, and I absolutely fell in love with them. I was just waiting to get my closet installed before I purchased them. But Dior uses the same exact ones, so that is pretty, pretty cool. And they're very inexpensive. I have 2 of them already in my closet. I'll link these down below. They do adjust, so you can bring it up to as high as you want. If you have a tote bag, a backpack, a bigger bag, you can totally bring it up and then lock it in place, or leave it like this, how I do. I have 2 of them. I'm most likely going to be picking up another one for my new tote bag that I just picked up. It is so beautiful. But yeah, I highly, highly, highly recommend those. You guys can see this guy right here. I absolutely love it. I have my new little bucket hat on it from Dior. This is about the hat stand, and I got this on Amazon. So let me show it to you guys really, really quick. This is what the top looks like, so your hat can go right on top. I have a ton of hats. You guys know, not only my bucket hat, but I have all of my lack of color hats, and they fit perfectly on these stands. And you guys can definitely adjust this one as well, and then lock it to the height that you want. The bottom is the exact same thing as my other ones. They have a grip so they don't slide anywhere. And again, it just makes your accessories look a lot more luxurious. I want to make sure I didn't put it backwards. A lot more luxurious, which I absolutely love. And I mean, if you guys have pieces that you want to display, in your shelves, in your bedroom, in your vanity, in your closet, then these are pieces you want to invest in. They really do make your closet look luxurious. Like, you have your own boutique in your home. That's pretty much all that I picked up, you guys, from Amazon and Target. I told you guys it was more of a regular home decor haul, but I know you guys love it. Let me know down below if you guys have picked up anything recently from Amazon. I would love to know if you guys came across some goodies, because I am going to start going on Amazon a lot more. I feel like sometimes I forget about Amazon. Does that happen, you guys? Like, I shop a lot at Target, at Home Goods, in stores, and I'm like, oh yeah, there's Amazon. Why don't I just go on Amazon and Amazon Prime it? So yeah, let me know. Would you guys be picking up any of these pieces down below, or have you guys come across any goodies that I should be checking out? I hope you guys are staying safe. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button if you guys love all of these home decor haul videos, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. Guys, I couldn't wait to open this throw. Like, I literally waited to share it with you guys. That's how long I waited. Let's open it together. I want to show you guys. I want to see how big it is. How big it is. Just kidding, that's what she said. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. My channel is totally PG, okay? Let's keep it PG. How do you get this thing opened? Do they have to knot it so much? Jeez. Alright, you guys, hold on a second. Oh, there she is. Let's see, let's get her out of here. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, look. Oh, I can literally wrap my entire body with this. It is such a huge throw. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, I'll catch you guys later. I'm about to go watch Hocus Pocus.